Hello. Yes. So yeah. So our recording is started here. Uh, is it observing? Yeah, fine. So let's move on the notes. Okay. So now we are starting Microsoft VBA macro. Okay. So it's a module one, and we are going to understand about the basic of what is a VBA and how we can create it, what is the basic things required like this, and we will do some practice as well as I will activate all the important tabs or whatever the things required on your PC also. So are you using mobile phone or a PC or a laptop? Then perfect. Then perfect. So you have a Microsoft Excel in your system. Okay, fine. So just listen to me and follow all the things, and step by step we can do all the things. Fine. Okay. So basically, what is the VBA advantage of automation? So VBA full form is Visual Basic Application. Is a programming language developed by Microsoft. Fine. It's a programming language. We are going to learn a programming language which will do in a Excel. So have you ever did the programming in a Excel? Formulas, basic formulas and all the things. We look up some average, pivot table, that things. Okay, and maybe charts, some different kind of charts and all. And yeah, yeah, yeah. So hope you observe that you have a repetitive task in some field or some area, sometime, or in some job you got a repetitive task. Do you ever get a repetitive tasks in your job sometime in Excel? Have you remember? Hello, hello. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, by mistake, some network issue happened. Okay, so have you ever got a repetitive task in Excel in your job? Okay, perfect. Yeah, use the just yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I am. What is the use of this Microsoft Excel? First, I'm trying to clear these things. That's why I'm asking you. Have you ever do a repetitive task? Let's suppose you are a manager. Let's suppose and you generate a sales report of a company or a business or anything. Sales report on a weekly basis or a daily basis or a monthly basis. So it's a repetitive task, right? To generate a report, make a proper format, make it the sum of the sales or sum of the profit or average of the profit like that, and you have to publish with the team either in a company or your personal work, whatever you are doing. Perfect. So it's a repetitive work, right? If you know the VBA macro Excel, you can automate these things. Just do all the things on a single click. Okay, so this is a main use of our VBA macro. We can make the repetitive task automated. Okay, so this is the use of VBA macro, and slowly we can understand. So just go through it. So it's a programming language developed by Microsoft. It's mainly used to automate repetitive tasks in a Microsoft Office application like Excel, Words, Access, PowerPoint. These all are the product of Microsoft. Am I right? Even Outlook. Maybe are you using Outlook email for email? Yes. So yeah. So we can connect with the Outlook also. Let's suppose you want to send an email on a daily basis or a weekly basis on a monthly basis. whatever the report you generated, and you have to email in a group or in a team. So it's a repetitive task again. So we can make it automated. Automated. Just click one or two button, and all the reports generated, and it will forward it to the relative people. Okay. So these are the use of Microsoft VBA. Fine. So in Excel, VBA can automate data entry, formatting, calculation, report generation. In Words, it can generate customized letter, reports, or a document automatically. In Access itself, manage database efficiently. MS Access, have you familiar with this? No problem. No problem. So basically, we are going to learn about in Excel itself. We are not going to discuss about the Excel, but I am just trying to give you the information because all are the Microsoft product, Excel, Words, Access, or a PowerPoint. So we can automate whatever the tasks we are doing. Let's suppose you are going to create a PPT in a PowerPoint. So you can make this automation. We can do the automation by using this VBA. If you have a knowledge of this VBA macro, you can do the automation in a PowerPoint also. Okay. So these are the products, and we can make the automation by using VBA. So after that, advantage of automation with VBA: time saved and effort. Let's suppose for a single task, we every day we just trying to format the data, do the summation, do the average, do the profit calculation like this. So you will do every time manually, but I don't want to do manually now because we have a knowledge of VBA. So we can just save our time as well as effort. So automation, yeah, automation, repetitive manual task, monthly report, data cleaning, invoice generation. We can do all the things automatically. Increase accuracy. So reduce human error caused by repetitive typing or a copy paste. Sometimes we copy the data and paste into this, and then make into the proper format or do the calculation. So there is a chances of error because we are doing every day or every week or every month. But when we record a macro and then run that macro, it will create a very clean data. So chances of the mistake is very low. Okay. After that, improve productivity. So employers can focus on a strategic work instead of manual time consuming task, because we do all the things manually, automatically, then it will automatically save our time. And customer solution, we will allow you to build customized tool like dashboard, form, and a macro tailored to the business need. Maybe you have seen some kind of user interface where we can do the data entry. So that kind of user interface we can create by using a VBA macro. I will teach you in the upcoming class. So that kind of user form we can create it by using this VBA macro. I will tell you all the things. Just this is a first class, so I want to tell you all the things. Then integration across application. So cannot connect Excel with the Outlook, send automatic email. So we can send the email automatically. What generate document, access fetch the data. So cost effective, no extra software needed. Just Microsoft Excel is sufficient, or Microsoft Word or anything is sufficient. So no extra cost effective, no extra software needed. Scalability, then the same VBA code can be resumed for multiple files, process, or even across department. Okay. So we already discussed that. For example, if you prepare a monthly sales report, instead of spending hours cleaning the data, formatting chart, creating summarizes, you can just click a macro button and let VBA do everything in a second. Okay. So I will show you in a just after a few minutes. Ma'am, I have a one urgent call. Can you give me 1 second? One. Oh, I think some network issue. But don't worry, you will get the proper sound in your video. If you are not getting proper sound, it will you will get into the video record. Can you give me 1 minute, because I have some. Okay, fine. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. Hello. Okay, fine. So, recording simple macro in Excel. So just I'm going to show you. After that, you can repeat the same step. Fine. So just read this. I'm going to read this and just try to understand. So save a Excel file. Give a name of file. We are just open a new Excel file and then give a name to that file. After that, we will not save as a simple format. We are going to save the Excel in Excel macro enable workbook. All right. Okay. After then go to the developer tab. Then we can learn how to develop a generator developer tab. And after that, clean. Click on the record macro. Then give a name to the macro shortcut key and perform task whatever you want and click on the stop recording macro. Then now use this macro whenever you need. It will complete your task in a second. So just we are going to record our first macro and try to understand. Okay, just observe this. So I'm going to open a new sheet, new Excel sheet here. Okay, and let me give some name which is now learning VBA macro. I'm going to change this name. So go to the file, then save as. After give some name like I'm going to give cleaning data like that. Cleaning data underscore VBA like this. Okay. Now Excel workbook dot XLS. We are not going to save in a normal format because if you save this in a normal format, it will not work like that. So click on this button here. After that, we have so many options. So go to the macro enable here, third option. Click on this. So Excel macro enable workbook. Now we can save it and give a proper locations. So I have created a folder for you here, and already I have a one file, but I'm going to save a new file. Okay, so our file name is cleaning data underscore VBA. So now this is a macro enable Excel. It's not a simple Excel. See the difference. What is the difference here? Window D. This is a simple macro. See, is there anything on a as a icon is showing on this? But it's a simple Excel and just try. Yes, try to observe this. I am copied this Excel and paste here, so you can see the difference between these two. See here, one another kind of icon is developed. Okay, so this kind of file become the VBA enable macros, and this is a simple Excel. Even this is a Excel, but this is a macro enable Excel, and this is a simple Excel. We can't run anything automatically, but here we can run all the things automatically. So I'm going to delete this. Just for example, I copy this data from that folder. Okay, fine. Okay, so now we have created a Excel file which is macro enable. Now, so just open Excel sheet in your system. Just new Excel file. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. Or you can share your screen. Just see. Just my screen is visible to you. Okay. So is this option is available in your system? Okay. Once you click on this, it will show you three options. So tell me, speak first. Tell me the three options. What are the three options visible to you? just go to the um, presenting. Click on that slowly. Share. Okay, fine. So entire screen. Yeah, entire screen. Click on the entire screen. Select the entire screen and then okay. Yeah, down. Entire screen and then okay. Yes, 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 yes. Now I can see your screen. Your screen is visible to me. Okay, fine. Yes. Open a new option. Okay, fine. So just hold on. Okay, click on that. So you have already a developer tab here. Okay. How you can create this? Okay. 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 Then save this. Okay. Fine. 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 So you already have a developer tab. That's actually I want to see that thing. That's why I want your screen. That's fine. Now share this sheet as a macro enable. Just go to the file, save as, give some name. Yeah, create a new folder. Just give a name, learning VBA or something like that. Perfect. Fine, fine, fine. Okay, so now you have enabled the macros. Okay, now just unshare your screen here. Stop sharing is stop sharing. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we have enabled the macro. We save the file, and you already have a developer tab, and you know how to develop create a developer tab. That's it. That's fine. That's fine for us. Okay, now let's go for the another. So okay, now I'm going to make one task automatically. Okay, so we have a data like that, like this. Let's suppose we have a data like this. Let's suppose we have a data like this. Okay, and serial number, the product name, sales quantity, sales amount. Okay, so I have already created a macro. I'm going to run this. Just observe this. Go to the developer tab, macro, select the macro, and here all the name or the name of the macro. So I give name like total amount, the name of the macro, and then run. Just observe this here. So when I click on the macros, see this row was not appear, but now it's appear here the total amount, and the format it changes like header color is changes, and it will calculate the total amount for each item, and then it's generate a graph between sales quantity and sales amount. So we did it automatically. How we can do that? Shall I play it once again? Okay, okay, fine. Let me don't save this. I'm going to open once again. See, we have a simple data. We have a one, two, three, four column. So first column is a serial number, second column is a product name, third column is a sales quantity and sales amount. That's it. And we don't have a graph, we don't have a color on this heading, we don't have a one column in a e. So we are going to calculate the total sales, that is sales quantity and sales amount. If we multiply it, both of these things, it will give the total amount. Total amount. So I just let's suppose we have a task like a every day calculating this total amount, whatever the sales we get in a day. So we have a repetitive task and we want a related graph for this every day. So we have to do like this manually, just create a table like this. After that, write amount, total amount like this. But I don't want to do like this manually every day. So just simply do one thing, create a macro. So let me, yeah, fine. So just I'm going to run the macro, then I will tell you how we can do that. Developer tab, macro, and then total amount. This is the name of our macro, which give us a proper format. Thus, just select this macro and then run. Simply run. See this. So we got a graph. We got a graph, and then you see E column. Yes, total amount. Automatically it's calculated. It's give a proper format, and then give a format for the total amount also. And we get a chart for relevant sales and a sales amount. Got. So are you able to do this by yourself right now? Yeah, just create it. Is it you can't do? You can't do. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how we can do that. So I'm going to delete this the entire things. Fine, and just I'm not going to save. Okay, okay. Don't wait. Don't wait. Yeah, I'm going to copy this data and copy this data and then oops, I'm sorry, by mistake I click on one button because we have to give a shortcut key for each macros. After that it will work. So I just by mistake I give a control C as a shortcut key. So whenever I copy the data, just by mistake I click control C and it's run the macro. So I am going to copy it by clicking right click. I'm not going to click control C. Copy and then go to the new sheet. We clean data. Okay, now here I paste it. Okay, so now we have a data like this. We get a data from let's suppose some from big data like some database. We get data like this every day. We fetch the data from some database. Now we have to calculate a total amount, whatever the total amount we get, and make a proper format so that we can publish this report with somebody. And we are going to create a chart for this data. So just simply go to the developer tab and then click on a macro. Once you click on a macro, oh I'm sorry. Click to the developer tab and then record macro. Here, yeah, before yeah, go to the developer. Yeah, go to anywhere. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, perfect. Go to the developer tab. Then second step, record macro. Click on this. Okay, now give a name to a macro. So can you suggest me a name? What name I have to give to this macro? Um, okay, first day learning. That's it. That's fine. First No, 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 no. We need not to give a space. First day underscore. First day learning. Okay, fine. And here is ask for shortcut key. So we have to give a shortcut key. So Control T. Shall I put T? Control T or W is fine. No problem. So Control W. Whenever you click Control W, the macro will be automatically run. Okay. Either we can do by using this macro by using cursor. If you don't want to use cursor, just simply click Control W. It will automatically run the macro, and after we run the macro, we will get the entire data. Whatever you make a format, whatever your calculation, or whatever the graph we generate, all the things happen automatically. Okay. So just first day underscore learning and shortcut key is Control W. Shall I save this? Okay, I'm going to save. Click on OK. Now see this. It's here stop recording. First record macro something like that. But now it's stop recording. It means our recording is start. Okay, and we can start our calculation. Like I want to calculate first total. Whatever the activity we are going to do, it's record. All the activity will record the Excel, and whenever we click this macro, it will repeat the things automatically. So, so total total amount shortcut. I'm writing it in a shortcut manner. Fine. After that, I'm going to make a table. Just observe this. I'm going to make a table. I'm going to make this bold. All this activity will do automatically after recording. And I want to give some color, then it will look much fine. So maybe this color is okay. After that, give some formula. All our things are recording right now. So I think quantity multiplied by amount, it will give the total amount. Fine. After that, just double click on this. Fine. Now give some format for this, so it will look more beautiful. Let's suppose some color like green, this, that's it. And I want to calculate total 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 of this. Okay, fine, no problem. Put here. Okay, and how sum of total, whatever the total amount we get, we want sum. Enter. Okay, now make this bold, and I'm going to make this some bigger size like 16, or give some purple. Fine. So now, and I want a graph. I want a graph of total amount versus sales quantity. So just select this, take this column, and then select this column, and go to the insert. After that, line graph, bar graph, anything you want to choose, but I'm going to get a line graph is more better. Anything. So is this fine? Yeah, fine. Here, so graph is like this. So this much activity we did here. Fine. So all these activities recorded in our macros. Now I'm going to stop the macros and save this. Here, stop the macro first, because our recording. Anywhere, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No problem. Here also. No problem. Yeah. Oh, no problem. No problem. No problem. I will go slowly and clear all the things. Don't worry about that. Okay. So we did so many activities like make it bold, make a proper format. We calculate the total. Okay, where spelling is mistake, no? Total TOTL. Okay, and okay, fine, no problem. So now I'm going to stop the macros. So just stop it, and close this. No need for this, and save. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to close this sheet. Fine, and I'm going to open this again. Clean data is our sheet. Okay, it's showing already showing all the things. So I'm going to delete entire things. Just delete the graph. Uh, delete the total column. Uh, or shall I delete entire things because we have a data, no? We'll just simply copy the data. Okay. So let's copy the data from the old sheet here. Our sheet is available here. Manually I'm going to copy because I have a shortcut key. Now you understand why this data automatically run the macros because we have a I give a name control C as a shortcut. But this time we give control W for this time. But in the last for this sheet, this old sheet I give control C. Now just paste the data here. Paste as a value and simply control V. Okay, so we fetch the data from some database like this and we put the data like this is a raw data. Okay, now I want to make a report. So you know the format of report. Just bold it, calculate the total sum and the total amount, whatever the 1 day sales, and generate a graph. This is our task. Okay, and we already automated. So how we can perform? Just go to the developer tab, click on macro, and what is the name of our macro? First day learning, right? Simply run this. Just run this and task. See, all the things are completed. But this table is not we get because we from last time we copied this table from the last sheet. We didn't do any formatting for the table, but the entire things are completed here. See, just we click on a macro, all the things are completed. The formatting, total amount, and whatever the total sum here, and a graph. So in a second, just we click and we get this format. Now you can publish with the peoples in a second. So are you going to try by yourself right now? So yeah, yeah, no problem. So just first of all, share your screen and you want this data, right? Of same data, no? So shall I share on the your email right now? Simply I copy this data and paste into your Gmail ID. Here, copy. Oh, sorry. Control C. I press Control C because my shortcut is Control C. Okay, no problem. Let me open once again, and I will not going to click Control C. I will copy this manually. Copy. Okay. This is your ID. Reply. Okay. Okay. Just go to your email and copy this data. Just refresh your email. You will get this data. Have you got this? No, got. Okay. Shall I unshare my screen? Then after that you can. Okay. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Just a minute. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Your Excel is visible. Yeah, perfect. Can you make it in a proper format? Because the yeah, make a table, simple table. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, just make it up, make into the proper format. Table. Yeah. Uh, just like this because it's not looking beautiful. Uh, like this. Uh, let me show you. Yeah, see the gap between the first and the second column. Now, now this. Yeah. And the sort, the, yeah. Hmm. Yes, perfect. Go to the developer and record on macro. Give a name. Yeah, yeah. You can give no space. Give some shortcut. No problem. Okay. Now, whatever the activity you are going to do, it's record. Start recording. Okay, just record it. Total sum. So, yeah, total sum. So total amount. Perfect. And equal to and yeah, multiplied by this. Enter. Just drag. Yes. Equal to sum. So give format of the header. Yeah. Just format it. Yeah, whatever the format you like, just do it. Perfect. Hello, hello. Hello. Yeah. Perfect. Some network issue. I don't know why. Because it's raining here. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you get this. Okay. Can you show me the bottom, bottom? That's it. Just try for a small macros first. Then you can slowly. Wait. Let me show me your bottom of the data. Yeah, perfect. Now you can stop recording. Okay, save it. Go to the save. Go back. Save on the top. On the top. saved it. Okay. Now, if you want to just delete the all the things and just okay, no problem. Yeah, and then if you want to delete this yellow format as well as whatever the format you given in the bottom, just just remove this color, make it white, and even in the bottom, use the delete option because you write a total already. You have written a total. Just delete it. Okay, fine. Now, just and if you want to delete this e column, whatever the table it's showing, blank table, just delete it. Change the format, blank, make it blank. Okay, now this is a simple data. You have yeah raw data. This is a raw data you get from some database. Now you have created a macro. Now run this macro. Simply you want to make a report in a some format that format you have developed by yourself. Just go to the developer tab, go to the macro, not record macro. You already recorded, no? So go to the macro, run, and fine. Check it. Go to the bottom of the data. Yes, you get everything as you have recorded. So you understand the power of VBA now. Hmm. Today's data. Just copy the data tomorrow. Just copy the tomorrow's data and make this sheet blank. Make this sheet blank. Make this sheet blank. Everything. And if you want to delete this table, just delete it. Everything. Delete the colors. All things. It's recorded. It's recorded. Just now. Yeah, fine, no problem. Now copy the data from that thing and then change the data. Copy the data from Gmail. Whatever the data I share with you, go to the Gmail. Copy and make some changes. Make some change. No. Don't add because it's recorded up to the 20th data only. No, it will okay. Just change the data of these things. Yeah, like 10 converted into 20, 50, 80 like that. Yeah, something like that. Some data becomes zero also like that. Okay, done. So you just change it, or even change the sixth number, not milk, it becomes something like curds, or not oil, it becomes some vegetable like that. You can change the data. Yeah. Let's suppose the next day milk not sell, but the another thing sold. So anything, whatever you want to change, randomly just change it. Make spices or make it somewhere like bread or a cold drinks or something like whatever you want, whatever the things you need, just put it anyway. Just now this is a data different from the first day, correct? Right now you have a macro and just run the macro and see the magic. Not record macro, run. Yes, graph is a little not coming, no problem. So it will, yeah, it will come again. I think due to some error it's not coming, but it will come. Whenever you write a properly, then it will come surely. Hmm. Hmm. that range. That's it. Because it's a machine, it will not do automatically. If you want to do something like that, we have to think like that. How it will? So we have to create the macro like that. If you want to, if you add some rows and we create a macro like that, whatever the rows we added, include that. Yes. So VBA and macro is the same thing. Hello. Yeah. VBA is the programming language, and macro is the code. Whatever the code we write on. Yeah. So tell me. 20. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Yes. 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 Hmm. 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 Yes. Hmm. Slowly, as much as we can mastery this VBA, as much as we can practice it, we can understand what is the limitation of macro, and what is the power of the macro. We can slowly we can understand all those things, and we can easily apply in our day-to-day work. Just stop sharing your screen. Let me show you something more, and then we can stop the class. Okay, let me share my screen now. Okay, so we have completed the first recording. Now similarly, these are the same things. Let's suppose we have data like this. We need the same thing, and just simply I am going to show you. Not a big things here. Let's suppose we have data like this. The raw data, just copy here. Oh, again I click the control C. I'm sorry, because I have a habit of a control C. Because control C will work faster, and by mistake I give the shortcut name. Paste as a value or something simply paste, and go to the developer again, macro, and name of the macro is a format data. Just run this. Just change the color, give a table, and make it in a proper format. So this way I can create it. Here again, same thing. We have a raw data, and just they see. Let me show you how I did this. Okay. So let's suppose I have a data like this: product, sales, and cost. So simply I copy this data and paste here, and I want the reports or a proper format of my data. Just go to the developer tab and go to the macro whatever we created. I give a name sales and profit. So just run this. See, just make a proper format of this raw data. See how the raw data looks like and how I converted into proper format. So it's make the bold, and then calculate a profit. How we can calculate the profit? Here only the cost, sales and the cost. So profit is the difference between sales and a cost. So it will give the profit. Fine. So it calculates the entire profit, and then sum of the total sales, sum of the total cost, sum of the total profit, then average of the total cost, average of the total profit, and average and make a proper format. So in a single click I got this. So I need not to do all the every day manually just copy the data, make a table, then manually count the sum, count the average, count the profit. Not I am not going to do the every day. Just I record a macro and just click it. It will do automatically in a second. So this is the macro, and let me show you something more. Whatever the topic left in our notes. So just this thing we have done all the things. We can just you read in these notes, then you can understand what we did. So macro security setting. Okay, this is also important things. Just observe this. So we are going to do a macro setting because macro is a programming language. So sometimes virus problem of virus can be happen. Okay. So how we can protect from virus? It's automatically run in the same mode, but just observe how we can do that. So simply we have a step, go to the file, then option, then trust center, then after that setting, macro setting. This. Go to the file, then trust center. Sorry? Yeah, option. Correct. You are correct. Option. Where is option? Okay. No problem. Option here. Go to the option, then trust center. After trust center, go to the trust center setting, and then macro setting. Macro setting. Yes. And this is already selected automatically. So this is the safest options. So see, read slowly. Disable macro without notification. So it's automatically disable macro. It will not run any macro. Whatever we created, it doesn't. When we click on this, it will not play any macro. So it will not useful for us. This is display macro, VBA macro with notification. Let's suppose some unwanted programming or unwanted something comes in our system. It will notify us. So we will disable that, or we will. So here disable VBA macro with notification. Let's suppose something harmful come, then it will work. Otherwise, it will simple macro. It will run the macro. Here disable VBA macro except digitally sign in across. So this is also tough. Enable macro not recommended, potentially dangerous, and code can run. So this is automatically selected and this is perfect. So we can select this and click OK. So this way we can make a macro setting and enable that. So developer tab we already know how to enable. So we need not to discuss about that. So this one we can make a macro can be powerful, but they can okay just security setting. So we can do the security setting of a macro. After that, okay, we did all the things. So this is a green color. Whatever the options we selected there, disable all macro with notification. We rejected this one and this one and this one. After that, step to enable the developer tab. So you know this already, you know, but it's in placed in our note. If you want to revise this, just follow the step here. How to enable this macros? Sorry, developer tab. This tab. So you know. So this is not required to repeat this. So this is module one. Hope you learn all the things in a module one and you understand how to record a macro. Okay. No problem. Just slowly, just try to record a small macros simply and then try to practice it. You will automatically get a confident and you can apply on the real data. So whenever you try to apply on a real data, just copy the sheet and place somewhere else. Make a copy, and then try to apply the macros. Uh, just simply don't go to the real data and just apply it because it will sometimes create some harmful things or destroy your data like that. So just copy the data and first make a some separate data and then try to create a macro. If it will successful, then apply on the real data. Okay. So that's it for today. We can share this video of our class in some time or by the end of the day today. All right, and the note, hmm, notes, the this note as well as the Excel file, whatever we this file, I'm going to share this file with you. This file, sorry, the this file because there was many things. This file, just practice it and read the notes and that's it. I think you will get the mastery of the first class. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 I, I will give you a very good weapon. I will give you a very yeah. Just finish. Hmm. 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 Oh, oh. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Chat GPT. I will tell you. I will tell you the use of chat GPT. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah, absolutely, you're right. It's useless because putting so much effort and give us a very simple task is not useful. So, hmm, hmm, hmm. No, yes, perfect. You're perfect. Because as much as the technology will develop, we have to adopt that. Otherwise, we will not stand in the. Yeah, yeah. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Uh, hmm, 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 hmm. Yeah. Are you comfortable to use ChatGPT right now? Are you using the ChatGPT? Yeah. No. Well, not required for many things because hmm, hmm, Okay, okay. Yeah. No, no, no. That is very, 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 very good things you are doing. That is actually use. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's it. Because a machine will not do all. ma- Okay, okay. Hmm, 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 hmm. Yeah, yeah. So it's not too useful because chap five page code and so we do the simple task is not useful. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, 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 okay. They are misusing the chat GPT actually. Full of the others because they think that they are using the technology for a simple task. It's not required. It's not required. It's not required. It's not required. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, 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 okay. That's perfect. No, it's perfect because some skill is always useful to you in your life. Okay, 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 fine. Okay, fine. Fine, fine then. Just finish. Saturday, I will inform you on the Saturday. Either if you want to join on the Saturday, then it's around 2 to 2:30 p.m. by according to IST. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You take. Yes, difference of. I will give you a message so we can connect it. Otherwise, what about your schedule from Monday to Friday? Uh, no problem. It's fine for me. 9 p.m. is not fine for me. Sometime if let's suppose if you. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's fine. Yeah, you can join it. Not every day, but I will try to join two to. Yes, 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 yes. That I want. I will drop the message. I will drop the message in the group, and then if you will feel comfortable, we can join. Hmm. No problem. No problem. No problem. I will give a message first in the group. If you will accept, then I can join. No, no. Just leave it. Whatever the people think, just try to learn it and I'm going to share the recording link. You can simply get it. Don't worry. I'm going to share the link as well as share the link of this note. You can download. No problem. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will share this note as well as this video also. Don't worry. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Bye bye.